move your body weight over the ride soon as possible, like this.
हाय एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। मैंने चेंज कर लिया है, अभी चलते हैं रिवर राफ्टिंग के लिए निकलते हैं। तो जल्दी करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मेरे को एक बज गया है और मेरे को 4:30 बजे पहुंचना है त्रिवेणी घाट पे भी। तो पता नहीं टाइम पे पहुंच पाऊंगा कि नहीं पहुंच पाऊंगा, बट जल्दी निकलते हैं यहाँ से और चलते हैं रिवर राफ्टिंग का डायरेक्ट। सो मैंने द हिमालयन एक्सपीरियंस से रिवर राफ्टिंग के लिए यहाँ पे बुक कर लिया है। एक्टिवा यहाँ पे पार्क कर दी है। प्राइस को 700 बोला है और साथ में ये सूट भी देंगे पहनने के लिए। सो उसमें ठंड काफ़ी कम लगेगी, तो ये सूट पहनना है अभी, इसमें ठंड लगेगी नहीं। और मेरे कपड़े यहाँ पे रखना है। सो मैंने पिछले बार राफ्टिंग किया था, बट मैंने डायरेक्टली ये कपड़े पे किया था, तो इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है, पानी बहुत ठंडा है, तो ये पहनेंगे अभी। तो बहुत सारे वेट सूट है यहाँ पे और ये मैंने वेट सूट पहन लिया है। थोड़ा ऑकवर्ड लग रहा है बिकॉज मैं ये फर्स्ट टाइम पहना हूँ और इसमें ही राफ्टिंग होगा। तो मैंने बोला कि इसमें थोड़ा गर्म लगेगा, पानी जाएगा तो डायरेक्ट बॉडी पे ज़्यादा ठंडा लगेगा नहीं, तो ऐसा कुछ है। सारे मैंने कपड़े यहाँ पे रख दिए, तो अभी राफ्टिंग के लिए निकलते हैं। तो एक रेन शीटर दिया है, ये रेन शीटर पहनता हूँ, इसमें ठंड शायद कम लगे और जब तक स्टार्ट नहीं होता आधे घंटे में हम निकलेंगे। जो रिवर राफ्टिंग का जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है वो है ये शिवपुरी से नीम बीच तक 15 किलोमीटर। 700 रुपीज़ का है ये। और विथ वेट सूट एंड ये रेन शूट दिया हुआ है और उसमें जब जाएंगे तो हमको ये लाइफ जैकेट भी दिया जाएगा, तो खासकर में ठीक ही है। सो टोटल हम 3 लोग हैं, अभी निकल रहे हैं हम लोग राफ्टिंग के लिए। तो इससे हम जा रहे हैं राफ्टिंग करने के लिए। ये हमारी बोट नीचे कर रहे हैं। तो अभी हम शिवपुरी जा रहे हैं राफ्टिंग के लिए। प्रॉब्ली 20 से 25 मिनट लगेगा, तो वहाँ से हम लोग राफ्टिंग चालू होगा।
A few moments later.
शिवपुरी पॉइंट आ चुके हैं, यहाँ से राफ्टिंग स्टार्ट होगा हमारा। पानी का फ्लो काफ़ी ज़्यादा दिख रहा है, वहाँ पे जाके दिखाते हैं। और ये हमारे आगे रहेंगे और ये रही हमारी बोट।
हेलो,
हाय। सो ये नंदिनी है और आपका नाम है विशित। हाँ, सो फिलहाल हम 3 ही जा रहे हैं राफ्टिंग करने के लिए। और ये शिवपुरी पॉइंट है, लुकिंग लाइक अ जोकर बट व्हाट इज फाइन।
You make vlogs?
Yeah.
Oh,
But
what's the name of your channel?
Sandy the Luffy.
Sandy the Luffy.
So ये हमारा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है। वहाँ पे कुछ और लोग भी हैं, उनका डिफरेंट बोट है। ये तो स्टीप वॉक है। सो हमारा भी यहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा। यहाँ पे अपना आ रहे हैं वो लोग। अभी हम राफ्टिंग के लिए निकलने वाले हैं, तो मैं सारे अपने बिलोंगिंग्स डालता हूँ उसके अंदर और सब पैक करता हूँ।
Talk now safety first, then after we'll be process on the water. So first and foremost, it's very warm welcome everybody. Good morning, happy new year.
Happy New Year.
Cheers. My name is Anup. I'm with you as a safety kaka today for this one small things. We have the green one and there is a Pawan also with you. So our role is like if you guys are travel into the river, means we can bring you safely inside the boats, right? So here I welcome to all of you in the beautiful river front with us, Mother Ganga, on behalf of Himalayan Experience. Today we have access hour something on the river and there's a distance like 16 kilometer only, right? So Ganga here, it means we are a lot, nothing more with us, but as a water sports thing, it has some difficulty level and there is some grade in actually. once your raft guide can explain you like, okay, the small rapid is coming at, it means that will be the grade 1. And the second, the good one is coming at, it means grade in 2, and major will be like grade in 3. So into the big rapid without your effort, sometime your raft guide cannot be go nicely. Please try your level best always. Here will be try on self the best also, right? Here have a two good thing you can see, that is called old frame. It's gonna be a lot of work for us. You don't need to use your paddle always on the way, right? But he can control it on sometime you need it, you must be follow that. Perfect. So it's place called of Shivpuri. We are finished our trip just before of the Lakshman Jula. I don't know you've been there or not, but is it right side actually before Lakshman Jula? There's a good beach, and after our cab will be coming to pick us. The river is coming from my hometown. I already told you I'm a son of Ganga from Gangotri Valley, and there is a source of place Gomukh Tapovan, and moving to West Bengal also. I guess you know very well, right? Perfect. So we have a 16-feet raft. It's called of front part. You can see the rope is around, and there is a back part also. So your raft guys sitting always behind of you guys, but we need to use our face should be on the front way. As a 2 member, we never mind who's are really comfortable on the water. They're gonna sitting with us front paddler, and there is a foot grip you can see right and left. So if you like to sit right, just make it your right foot front and left should be back. If you're sitting on the left, so you need to use your left front and right should be back. For the second member, have a good space, right? So come over. I guess right and left, whatever which side you're comfortable, you can use it your gap, this one gap front or back, and we need to sit always side chamber, not inside the cross tube. Otherwise you cannot be make it your paddle process. Sounds good?
Yeah.
Can I have a paddle please? Perfect. We all have a paddle, and there is a 3 part we can call it T, shaft and blade. So we need to grab our paddle always nice and good, right? Just keep use your forefinger up on the palm and thumbs down. Other we can try to figure out from here and make it your hand over the paddle like this, just nearby your 3rd part, right? And after the blade part should be outside, right? If you're sitting that side, just change your paddle face, grab your left hand here, right should be the top, then paddle process has to be used into the water, right? 3 basic command your raft guide gonna be shouted you on the river. There is paddle forward, backward, and stop. So once you're gonna shout everybody go paddle forward, what you have to do, just make it your both arms should be straight like this. Move your body with the paddle front. 3rd part need to pull deep in and water push back on your way like this. You see, I'm just following my paddle. If I'm trying to use my arms only, it's gonna be hacked. We cannot be making our effort always on the river, and we feel it a little bit, right? So sounds good. We has to be use our body and pull the water on your way. This is our forward command. Second command, one of the best command with us, of course you love it, that's called a stop paddle. He'll be shouted this command as any situations. Stop your paddling, take it out your blade part and put it your thighs like this, right? If you feel really uncomfortable on the way, so there is a side rope we can find out. It's all around the board. We call it this one line, safety line and safe line. So we need to cover up this one with our outside hand like this, and make sure your paddle cannot be swing anywhere. Otherwise your paddle can hurt somebody, right? So keep cover up and grab nicely like that, right? 3rd with us, backward paddle. Somehow maybe your raft direction moves somewhere else wrong. As the situations, we need a good direction. So he gonna shout it with this command, back paddle everybody. Keep your blade part into the water nearby your hips. Push the water front and body so right back. Opposite or forward, we're gonna use our paddle to make sure we are avoiding any big features. What we have, right? Cool? All good? Nice. We have a quite small command for quick action, for quick direction. Sometime, I already told you there is some gradient. Into the massive one, maybe your raft cannot swing. It will be chances you guys are launched somewhere else. Flip over for sure, right? So he cannot be see like every single rapid you guys are flip into the water. Maybe we can shout to this command like right back, left forward. This is the direction command actually according to situations. So if he shouted right back, left forward means you need to figure out which side you guys are sitting. For the right side people, definitely your hand should be like outside right side, right hand, and if you're sitting on the left, your left hand will be out like that. Outside, so you make sense find out which side you guys are sitting. If you shouted right back, you try to the right side people back paddle, and left should be forward. It's gonna be quick direction we find out. Left back, right forward, same process. Over right and overlap. This is unusable command, but somehow maybe any side wrap hitting you and your raft and there will be chances your raft gonna move upside down also. This is the part of the river, but for the balancing stop, he gonna shout it this command like over right, means left side people gonna grab the side rope, but right side people have a little bit walk. You leave your place, grab your pedal nicely, and move your body weight over the right soon as possible, like this. And if you find the side rope, it should be great for us. Otherwise, maybe you are a swing sometime, right? Cool. For the support purpose, we need to grab this, and once they're gonna shout it to come back your position, back to the way, and do again paddle forward, right? So we have a twice of emergency command also. There is hold down and get down. Somehow, if we find that your raft almost moving upside down, means he for your safety purpose he shouted this command. This is called a hold down. Just grab it the side rope. For sure you are a flip over, but you cannot be moved far away from your raft and your crew, right? So after that, if somebody are inside, they can pull up your back easily, right? If he shouted get down, means it's balanceable command. We has to be a little bit inside the board. We cannot be leave our side rope. Once he shouted get back, come over the position and do again paddle forward, right? Good? Nice. Okay, who knows if you flip, so what do you have to do? Hold the rope for sure. First, the rule number one, find yourself where you guys are, right? If you're nearby the boat, just grab the side rope soon as possible with your nice hand. The second things, if you're not available to swim, just make it quickly whitewater defending position. It's keep and simple. Just turn around your body, leg use on the floor and head up stream like this. You have a cushion will be protect your heads, and you should be needed like this, right? After your raft guide have a toss back, it has 15-meter rope for your rescue. He can't to be reminding any single people name actually, so he gonna use whistle for attention, maybe shout it like swimmer. You need to eye contact with your raft guide. He know very well about it, how gonna we throw it, right? So after some time he can pass you the rope like that, but please keep grab the flat rope with your nice hand like this. We can apply it, you know, one end here, another will be like over the side, and make it whitewater defending position. Don't gonna be try like that. You know, it is not safe things, right? Just keep and simple. He'll be pull up your back quickly. Then our walk, you know, we all have a walk. It is our core team work. Without your help, we cannot do it everything possible. Somehow, maybe someone is inside the boat. They can come over the side, grab the swimmer life jacket from the toe, and pull them easy. Sounds good? Perfect. If swimmer has a paddle, take it the paddle, put it in the middle like this, and go after that process. Nice, cool. Means we don't need to wrap this one anywhere. Is it? Perfect. Okay, last and very important part. Always he try the level best, and you also guys, but it's under of nature, daring of the nature effect of the time. Maybe the boat gonna move upside down after the all process like this. Means we all will be inside the water. Your raft guide also. Of course, we all have a good time after. We cannot be handled sometime, but make it quickly whitewater defending position and find yourself. If you're really comfortable, if you're out of the boat, it's gonna be good. Maybe you guys are stuck inside the boat. This happens sometime, right? So quickly take a whitewater defending position and pull the boat from your face with the hand or like with the kick. Does it not matter? You can try to yourself, because raft way very lightly always on the river. Come out of the way, then Lucky have a walk. He like to climb up upside down board first and has account for the people. If you see everybody is fine, means he get ready for the reflip your boats. Without that effort, without your living rope, he cannot be make it reflip your boat under of some seconds. So please leave the boat for some second. You have two good kayakers. We come to close of you and you can grab us, and then Lucky try to on self reflip your boat, and after he have a walk to climb on and take it your one by one rescue. Right? It's all about your rafting. Any questions? No questions. All right, sounds good. So me and this is yours, right? Me and Pawan, they both are coming with you as a safety kayakers, right? If you travel into the way, means we are quickly come back your arounds, right? And we can shout at you guys like, okay guys, grab our kayak from the front, our back. If our face should be on your way, it means we offer you kayak front part. So here is the handle, you can see. you need to grab this one and use your boat leg over the kayak like this. It's called a monkey grab. You must be applied. But there will be some wrap and kayak gonna be hold your chin nice and easy. So just try to use your face right or left. If you able to carry the kayak right shoulder or left shoulder, we never mind also. Sounds good? Perfect. Okay, nice. If we're gonna shout at you, grab your kayak back. So there is also same process. We can grab it, but try to use your half chest weight over the kayak and make it swimming position. You know, the Superman position, and kick your feet. We can move super fast anywhere, guys. Sounds good? Tearing off the situations, because kayak is a very small thing. If we both are moving down like that, please don't try to climb over. We cannot be hold our breath for the long time, right? So we have a process to come back our position, some good technique. So we have a paddle, we can try ourselves. Leave the boat moving far away from us, right? So once we come back, and then after we need to little bit breath. We back to the position and shout you guys again, grab front our back. As a one time we can rescue for the 2 members, nice and easy. So we are only 3 member, 2 kayaker. That's it. If we find 3 member, I mean like 2 member on the one situation, means front and back we can grab the like monkey grab only, right? Don't be grab from the side way, and don't touch it us also, like means you can't be grab us, right? Sounds good? Any questions so far? No. I have a last questions. Is there anybody have any medical issues like asthmatic, heart problem, epilepsy, surgery, backbone, nothing else? So many things are good. So excited? Ready to go? Yes. Perfect. Thank you very much, guys. Cheers. Good. Nice. Please check your personal protection device. Life jacket should be tied over now.
अभी निकलते हैं यहाँ से और सीधा तुमको बोट पे मिलते हैं. सो उन्होंने अच्छा इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया. सो विल फॉलो दैट एंड एंजॉय अवर रिवर राफ्टिंग.
Grade and 3 rapid and अच्छा rowing करना है, fast paddle and keep silent, okay? So are you ready, guys? Yes. So fast. Go, come on, continue guys, continue, forward. Fast, come on guys, forward. More fast. Go forward, come on, continue. Go guys, go. Stop. Okay, back paddle guys, back paddle. Okay, relax. Okay, paddle forward. Go forward. Go guys, go. Anything, okay? Okay, relax. Stop. How's the rapid, guys? Go guys, go. Continue. Okay, back paddle. Okay, stop. Again, forward. Fast. More fast. Come on, go. बेल्ट पूरा पानी में छोड़ दोगे। मैम थोड़ा मिडिल में आ जाओ, एक्सक्यूज मी, हल्का मिडिल, टॉप पे आ जाओ, बिल्कुल टॉप पे। यस, और आगे बैठो, थोड़ा आगे होके बैठो। गुड, नाइस। ओके, स्टॉप 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 स्टॉप। ओके, गो फॉरवर्ड। रेडी? यस, एंड टॉप पे पाँव रखना, वहाँ से स्लिप हो जाओगे, टॉप पे रखो। गुड, ओके, रेडी, 1 2 3 गो। नाइस जंप। ओके, ग्रैब ओके, ऑल्सो साइड में खड़े होके फिर रस्सी को होल्ड करना। रेडी सर? ओके, क्विक, 1, हाँ जंप करो, रस्सी को होल्ड कर लेना। क्विक, कम ऑन, 1 2 3 गो। नाइस। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, आप इधर से जंप करके रस्सी को ले लेना। अरे निकल पूरा यूनियन। नाइस। देन इजीली आगे तक कोडिंग हो जाओ आराम से। पावर फास्ट रहिए, फास्ट अच्छा रैपिड है। सफल नाइस ओके सर आप इनको हेल्प करेंगे चलिए सर ये आपको हेल्प करेंगे रस्सी को पुल करना सर रस्सी भी छोड़ना दो Okay, then last rapid है rapid name है double and trouble. Okay, this is the class 2 rapid. Okay, team, and lock your feet. Okay, and go forward. Go. Okay, stop. Whirlpool. यहाँ पे भंवर बनते बहुत अच्छे ओके सो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है सब लोगों का मजा आया सबको सो लास्ट टाइम 3 टाइम बोलेंगे गंगा मैया की जय की जय हिप 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 कुरकुरे कौन बोल रहा है गो Look here, ma'am. How's your feeling? Okay. Then leave the rope and go to swing the wrong side. Okay. Nice. Go.
हाथ पाँव नहीं चला
Okay, go forward, come on team, forward. Full power guys, full power, fast. Go hard pedal guys, go hard pedal, go hard. Go hard. More hard pedal guys. Go guys, go. Go. Forward guys, fast. More hard pedal, more hard pedal. More hard pedal guys, more hard pedal. Up lowering करेंगे forward guys, come on, go. Good, nice.
Active हो
Go.
रहा है।
Nice. Also थोड़ा fast करिए, आपको इसी करना है। Nice. Okay, stop. अभी तक? बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, पीसफुल, बहुत पीसफुल,
बहुत अच्छा, क्वाइट लिबरेटिंग।
मज़ा आया, काफ़ी मज़ा आया।
बैलेंस करते
ड्रॉप नहीं हुए, काफ़ी मज़ा आया।
Lucky was too lucky for us, भाई.
Lucky was very lucky. Thanks for hosting us.
जस्ट नीचे आए अभी, चाय भी खाएंगे यहाँ पे, चाय पियेंगे। राफ्टिंग हमारी हो गई और हाँ
पवन भाई चाय पियोगे?
मैगी खाने गए। सो राफ्टिंग कर लिया हम लोग ने। यहाँ अगर आप भी ट्राई करना है तो यहाँ से ट्राई कर सकते हैं। हिमालयन एक्सपीरियंस करके है, द हिमालयन एक्सपीरियंस करके है शॉप तपोवन में। तो जल्दी निकलते हैं, और ही लेट हो रहा है, सीधा मिलते हैं आरती पे। सो त्रिवेणी घाट पे आ चुका हूँ मैं, तो यहाँ पे जूता रखते हैं और यहाँ से त्रिवेणी घाट की आरती शुरू होती है, अंदर जाते हैं लोग।
निवेदन है कृपया अपने स्थान पर बैठ जाएं।
टाइम पे आया हूँ,
जो बीच में
आरती का
खड़े
टाइम पे
हैं
आ
आप सुन लीजिए
और
कृपया
आरती
बैठ
चालू होने वाली
जाइए।
है।
अगर आप खड़े रहेंगे पीछे वालों को नहीं दिखेगा, कृपया अपनी जगह पे बैठ जाएं।
भाई गाइस क्राउड देखो।
सभी श्रद्धालुओं से निवेदन है यथाशीघ्र मां गंगा जी की आरती प्रारंभ होने वाली है। सभी श्रद्धालु अपने स्थान पर बैठ जाएं।
क्राउड
धूप आरती तक सभी श्रद्धालु अपने स्थान पर बैठे रहेंगे। जब मुख्य आरती प्रारंभ होगी तब आपको खड़े होने के लिए कहा जाएगा। कृपया मुख्य आरती के समय पे ही खड़े हो। धूप आरती तक अपने स्थान नमो वयम्बे बोलिए श्री गंगे महाराज की
बहुत रश है, 1 तारीख है आज, बहुत रश है। प्रसाद मिल गया, बस प्रसाद मिल गया भाई, काफ़ी टेस्टी है। दर्शन हो गए, अभी सीधा मैं घर के लिए जा रहा हूँ। आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं, और चाहिए तो आप यहाँ पर मार्केट घूम सकते हो। मार्केट भी यहाँ पर है, बहुत लोग शॉपिंग करते हैं इस साइड में, और यहाँ पर भी कुछ खाने पीने का सामान और शॉपिंग करने के लिए वहाँ पर है, तो आप लोग जा सकते हो वहाँ पे। आज तो 1 तारीख है और आरती भी मिल गई और काफ़ी मज़ा आ गया। 1 तारीख की शुरुआत काफ़ी अच्छी हुई और आगे जा कर के आई होप सब अच्छा ही होगा। तो गंगा मैया की जय। त्योहार शायद यही है। तो मैं भी निकलता हूँ अपने होटल के लिए। आज के लिए कितना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में।